My Lord, help me because they have denied me. 27. So we inspired him, build the ark under our watchful eyes and directions. Then when our command comes and the oven bursts with water, take on board a pair from every species along with your family, except those against whom the decree to drown has already been passed. And do not plead with me for those who have done wrong, for they will surely be drowned. 28. Then when you and those you have settled in the ark say, all praise is for Allah who saved us from the wrongdoing people. 29. And pray, my Lord, allow me a blessed landing, for you are the best accommodator. 30. Surely in these are lessons, and we always put people to the test. 31. Then we raised another generation after them. 32. And sent to them a messenger from among themselves declaring, worship Allah alone. You have no God other than Him. Will you not then fear Him? 33. But the chiefs of his people who disbelieved and denied the meeting with Allah in the hereafter and were spoiled by the worldly luxuries we had provided for them, said to the masses, this is only a human like you. He eats what you eat and drinks what you drink. 34. And if you ever obey a human like yourselves, then you would certainly be losers. 35. Does he promise you that once you are dead and reduced to dust and bones, you will be brought forth alive? 36. Impossible, simply impossible, is what you are promised. 37. There is nothing beyond our worldly life. We die, others are born, and none will be resurrected. 38. He is no more than a man who has fabricated a lie about Allah, and we will never believe in him. 39. The messenger prayed, my Lord, help me because they have denied me. 40. Allah responded, soon they will be truly regretful. 41. Then the mighty blast overtook them with justice, and we reduced them to rubble. So, away with the wrongdoing people. 42. Then we raised other generations after them. 43. No, people can advance their doom, nor can they delay it. 44. Then we sent our messengers in succession. Whenever a messenger came to his people, they denied him. So we destroyed them, one after another, reducing them to cautionary tales. So, away with the people who refuse to believe. 45. Then we sent Moses and his brother Aaron without signs and compelling proof. 46. To Pharaoh and his chiefs, but they behaved arrogantly and were a tyrannical people. 47. They argued, will we believe in two humans like ourselves, whose people are slaves to us? 48. So they rejected both of them, and so were among those destroyed. 49. And we certainly gave Moses the scripture, so perhaps his people would be rightly guided. 50. And we made the son of Mary and his mother a sign and gave them refuge on high ground, a suitable place for rest with flowing water.